How to upload a Facebook page banner. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from essetinomedia, showing you how to create profitable content. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change up and upload a new Facebook page banner. So I'm here on my Facebook page right now, and one of the first things you need to do is you need to click the Switch Now button, which basically means you're going to switch to a Facebook page. So I'm going to click Switch Now, and now I'm acting as the page, the Facebook page, and you want to scroll up to the top here and click Edit Cover Photo. Click on that. It's going to give you a couple options. Select a photo, upload a photo, reposition. So I'm going to upload a new photo because we are doing some rebranding. Click that. Find the photo. I've got it right here. Double click. And so now it's going to ask you if you want to reposition your banner, so you can either move it up or down. I think I'm going to move it maybe somewhere around here, and let's see what that looks like. Click Save Changes. So once you've got it in place, I'm going to switch back to my Facebook profile so I can see what it looks like on a public view. So I'm going to click this, go back to my profile, go back to the page, and then there we go. We've got our new Facebook page banner cover. Hit the thumbs up button if we were able to help you out. You can check out our channel for more Facebook tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.